How to set up dlink E15 AX1500 mesh Wi-Fi extender. Unbox the dlink E15. First, take out your dlink E15 extender from the box. Inside the box, you will find the dlink E15 extender, quick installation guide, power adapter. Choose the right location. Place the extender halfway between your main router and the area where the Wi-Fi signal is weak. Make sure the extender is within the range of your router's Wi-Fi signal. Plug in the extender. Plug your dlink E15 into a power socket. After plugging in, the power LED will start blinking orange. Wait for LED indicator. Wait for a few seconds. When the LED light starts blinking white, it means the extender is ready for setup. Connect to the extender Wi-Fi. Open your phone or laptop and connect to the extender's Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi name will be dlink extender XXXX. Open dlink Wi-Fi app. Go to the Play Store or App Store and download the dlink Wi-Fi app. Open the app and tap on Add Device. Scan QR code. Scan the QR code located on the back of your extender. This will automatically add your device to the app. Follow app instructions. Follow the step-by-step instructions in the app. Select your existing Wi-Fi network, enter the Wi-Fi password, and confirm. Wait for connection. Wait for the extender to connect to your router. When the LED turns solid white, it means the setup is complete. Test the connection. Move around your home or office and check the Wi-Fi signal strength. Your weak Wi-Fi areas should now have strong signals.